MS Dad, spreading hope, spreading cheer, saving the world one day at a time. Always. MS can't beat me, beast mode.
Same body, yeah, same body, MS Dad, spreading hope, spreading cheer, saving the world one day at a time. Always, MS can't beat me, beast mode. MS Dad, spreading hope, spreading cheer, saving the world one day at a time. Always, MS can't beat me, beast mode.
What's up guys, MS Dad here. Thanks for joining me for another video. It's Saturday morning. Bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. We're going to go do laundry this morning, get that done out of the way. So that's done. I'll take you guys along as normal on that. You know, in my free time I like to watch YouTube and stuff too, just like everyone else. And one thing I found out is I used to watch videos about camping and stuff like van life stuff, and that's really not popular anymore, I guess, because it's harder to find it. It's not popping up as often. I get a lot of stuff like remote control planes and stuff because I've watched a few videos. But YouTube has changed a lot, so in my mind, you either change with it or change without it. You roll with it or get rolled over. So if you're not willing to do stuff that maybe this new age is wanting more graphics and more, technique, I guess, in making the video, not just make the video like before. People wouldn't care about lighting and sound and angles and all that stuff. And I try to. Actually, I'm getting a new camera that should be here in the next couple of days. We'll go over that here on the channel too as well. Unbox that and kind of review it and see what's going on with it. It's going to be a Canon D50, so should be pretty cool. Shoots some 4K, so it's a good camera. We'll see what all it entails. But as always, my friends, like I said, we're going to go do laundry this morning, so I need to get ready with MS Mom, go do that. Bring you guys along with me. And thank you for joining me this morning. As always, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to MS Crew. You guys are amazing, my friends. As always, keep smiling. Never give up. Never back down in life. So what you make it. You guys got this.
MS Dad stumble or falls, but MS